Hello everyone, hope you all are doing awesome. I welcome you all in the first video of Autognizant YouTube channel. My name is Rameshwar. I have 10 plus years of experience into automation testing and I am currently working as test automation architect. I am starting this YouTube channel to share the knowledge and experience I have gained over the years. Here I will be uploading the content related to automation testing, and that will be completely free and open source. This channel is only for educational purpose. In addition to this, I have designed and implemented my own Selenium Cucumber framework and I have shared it on GitHub as an open source project. I would like each one of you to try it out and share your valuable feedback. Let's take a look. This is the Autognizant GitHub page. There are two open source projects available, AC Core and AC Example project. AC Core, that is Autognizant Framework Core Library, is built on top of Selenium and Cucumber open source tools. The first version of this framework is already released a couple of days ago, and it is also published on Maven Central repository. AC Example project is implemented using AC Core library. The detailed documentation about setting up example project, writing a test, preparing test data, and executing a test is provided in the documentation. All you need to do is clone AC Example project, read the documentation carefully, and kickstart automating your web application. I will be uploading more videos about automation framework in upcoming days. If you really like the content, I request you all to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Autognizant YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of quality content coming up next. Stay tuned. See you soon.